Hi family, welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about the kitchen makeover. In today's video, I'm going to be changing the light fixtures in my kitchen just as I did with the dining room. If you missed that video, I'm going to link it below so you can watch that as well. I moved into my dream house about a year ago, and I have been taking my time to customize it to my liking. The home is very beautiful and they did an amazing job with everything in here. But I just want to change a few things here and there just to match my style. And some of those things besides the furnitures are the light fixtures. The dining room and kitchen area had these beautiful but simple lights that were very builder grade. However, they match the home aesthetic perfectly. But because I wanted to customize the home to my liking, I decided to add some gold finishes in here. In the previous video, we worked on the dining room light. In today's video, we are going to be changing the kitchen light to match the dining room light. So, with that said, I'm going to be walking you guys through the whole process and I'm going to be showing you where I got everything from. So make sure to check the description box for everything. We are going to be doing this a little bit vlog style. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Once again, this is what the previous lights look like. As I said, they were very nice, very simple, but also very builder grade. So I went ahead and changed it to these beautiful gold pendants. These lights I got from Amazon and I will leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Alright family, so these are what the lights look like and this is how we got here. In the previous video, I did work with Homery to change the chandelier in the dining room, and today I actually found these lights from Amazon and we are going to be putting them up. And by we, I meant my contractor. Today, my contractor and his wife are here to change the lights for me. So the great thing is we don't have to drill any holes. We don't have to do any wiring. All we have to do is take out the old light and add the new ones. The lights do have to be assembled, so make sure you read the descriptions because if you can't do it yourself, you might need a contractor to do it. But I will say it was pretty simple to do. Alright family, so this is what the lights look like. Oh my goodness, I really like these. They are so gorgeous and they match the gold accents that I want, and they also match the dining room. Finally, the dining room was starting to look very separate from the kitchen, and I'm glad we have everything going together now. So all of the gold pieces throughout this dining room, living room, and kitchen area go together now. These lights are amazing. I am in love with them, but the only problem I have is that we were using the light bulbs from the old lights, which were fine. But now the light bulbs with the new light fixtures are giving yellow. It's giving this yellowy or yellowish tinge that I don't like. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out light bulbs that actually match the light. So before we go, I wanted to give you all a little outfit of the day. So this is a cute little dress from Express, and this is what I'm going to be wearing today, but let's go ahead and style it. So I'm pairing it with these beautiful slippers. They are kind of like an African cloth type thing. They're really nice. These slippers are giving the pop of color that I need with this outfit because I don't want to be too bland and boring. All right, and then we're gonna pair it with our black and gold bag. You can wear this any way you want, but today I'm wearing it as a cross shoulder, and then I'm pairing it with my black Chanel glasses. The bag is Chanel as well, and then with that, since we're doing all black and gold, I'm going to be using my perfume. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite perfume. It just smells so good and so refreshing. So yeah, a few little puffs here and there. And then this is my NYX lipstick, I guess. It's like a matted lipstick, and it stays, y'all. It stays all day. So I'm just dabbing a little bit of that. And that is it, y'all. This is the outfit of the day. I felt really, really cute. Anyway, so let's go ahead and head on over to Walmart. I have a Walmart really close to my house, thankfully. That is literally where I go to run all of my errands. And here we are at Walmart. While we're here at Walmart, I wanted to pick out a few things for the house. And today I'm getting my lotion. I'm out of my lotion, and as you can see here, I use the Nivea lotion for myself, and I'm getting the shower gel for Nadia. This is good for the body and also for her hair, and I'm also getting her lotion because she's out of that as well. And we always get Vaseline. Vaseline is a must, okay? For nighttime, daytime. Sometimes we use it for the lips. We just always have Vaseline. Walmart has these cute mirrors. Look at these. These are really cute. I like these ones. Light bulb. We found our light bulbs. We only need 3, but I think they come in a set of, let's see, 5. Set of 5. I want daylight. Soft white. I want daylight. These are all LED. Soft white. Oh no. Here we go. A lot more options. Bingo, right here. This is what I need. All right, family, this is what the lights look like. See how pretty it is? Let me do a close-up. See how pretty that is? I love the gold. It's very simple, but it also makes a statement. And the gold goes all the way up. I really like that. As you all know, we recently did the dining room. This is from Homery. The kitchen lights are not from Homery, but they're kind of similar to this. But the theme was the gold and frosted look. So yeah, this is the dining room. The top of it kind of looks like the one in the kitchen too. And then this is the kitchen. I really like these. But the problem with these is we have light bulbs in there if you look really closely. So those are the light bulbs, but these are not pretty when they're on. They have this yellowish tint to it. That is why I wanted the daylight light bulbs, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and turn these on so you can see what they look like turned on, okay? All right, so the switch is here. This is what they look like. Let me turn them on. Oh, I turned on the wrong light. All right, so you can't really tell on camera, but they have these like yellowish, I don't know, yellowish look to it. I don't really like it. Oh my goodness, the camera is not doing it justice. You can't really tell from the camera, but yeah, it's like yellowish. Is that better? Can you guys see it better? All right, that's what that looks like. Kind of yellowish, so I want daylight. Daylight is brighter and it's prettier. So let's go ahead and switch out those bulbs for the daylight bulbs that I got. So these are our light bulbs from Walmart. See how it says daylight? That's what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn these off. I'll put the other light on, not those. I'll put these on. I'm gonna turn these off. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit as I open this, but all right, let's do one first. We only need 3, and there are 5 light bulbs. Yeah, no, they're actually 4. And let's see. All right. So let's go ahead. Okay. Almost got it. Woo. All right, we got it. Okay. see if it makes a difference. Yep. See? Again, the camera is still not doing it justice, but in person, it looks so much better. Let's go close so you can see. See that? That's much brighter than these two. See that? It's much, much brighter. So let's go ahead and change the rest of them. I like it already. So, all right, let's change this one. See the difference? This one is brighter than that one. All right, let's turn off this switch and let's change the last one. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Oh, I didn't put the middle one on. Put the middle one out. Okay. Whew. It looks so good. These lights are so nice, y'all. Look at that. I promise you, this lighting is not doing it justice. It is so pretty. So, so pretty. Look at the dining room light. This is what it looks like, I guess, in the evening time. Oh, goodness. So, so pretty. Wow. And for the dining room, I am going to change the vase to this big tall one. I'm still looking for pieces that go here, but everything really goes here. It's really pretty here. And I do want to bring some green here, some more green besides the one on the dining table. So let's try this out and see how it works. There we are. That looks really, really good. And look at this light now. So pretty. This house has become a home for me and I'm super, super excited. Everything, as I said, was already beautiful, but I just wanted to put my own finishing touches on everything so I feel at home. So I'm doing a decorate/clean with me series. If you haven't seen the first few videos, please go ahead and watch the most recent videos. And also make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you don't miss another one of these videos. And also make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. All right, family, I have an exciting video coming up next, so make sure you don't miss that and comment your favorite part of today's video. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you all in my next one.